Yo, what's going on YouTube? I go by the name J Power, but ladies call me the dog. Little Mr. Chocolate, you feel me? I'm late, guys. I'm kind of late, so I'm going to group, but I'm late. The time is 9 o'clock right now. Konan kabo, samba, lungs and everything. I look crusty as fuck, but yeah, we're going to groove today. The boys are not with me today, so guys, I don't know, but I'm going out with my other boy, so we're gonna have so much fun. Come with me, guys. I don't want to talk too much today. We're going to groove. We're going to have some fun. Too much fun, guys. Solo vlog today, feel me? Try shit. I'm at that homies. Gang gang. Before Libala, 2 Dyans versus 1 commando. And that's what's going on. I'm talking about. Sithenge commando. So here, but ke short lesi Dyan I'm trying. If together, just know 2 Dyans versus 1 commando. Damn, it's calm though.
I'm cooking something here, Chief. I'm cooking something. Yeah, sabu cocktail nyana, Dyan what? Yeah, Dyan shit. Dyan shit. Swelling, bra. Hasn't been late in Pazania, so there's new way, yeah, papa.
Yigi way, bra. Oh, good.
No lash. Free HM.
Oh,
free HM.
They're recruit.
Yeah, and they're recruit.
Okay, I get.
Yeah.
So I'm a group, guys. See. So what was one of them?
5 minutes later.
Yeah, I got it. Let's go there.
Yeah.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Let's do them all right now. The vibes are too much. The Paulo! Guys, it's like a vlog. Buddha. It's Dyan. Almost it's Dyan. Hey, bro, I want to eat away. Commando is too much.
Inspired by Sonabile.
The commando. Yo, do that. Hey. Yo. My boss defending. Alright, hey. The commander is doing too much.
The commander.
Bitches with titties, handies and feet.
Oh,
The commander is inspired by Sonabile.
Put what you want is 100 chance. And 1 commando. Commando, you win. After 2 shots. And the guas.
Angikwazi mfondisi. Kaphablo angikwazi. Ungumni Sonabile.
Iza ngafuna uvela wena.
Wayengafuna uvela.
Phone kwazi.
Sonabile ungumni.
Ungumni.
Yela. Sonabile. Ngani phethu
Ungumni Sonabile.
Namakhona bana ndizibamba.
Nangone
Umnyandithi. Ngakubanda ohlobo. Ndoda. Ngabe ngumsuthu. Isingubo yayo.
Yela
mangazana.
alungile mangazana. Nani bana ko relationship nango single.
Yela usingile mna naseblom.
Eblom. Sazikapa nje, sazikapa.
Lo wakuzohlela mina hlela nowami. Mhlophe man.
Ikapa ueblom ivela.
Kaloku wayeseblom the time. Umlibele.
Cut. Kwamele tena masimba.
Jonga. Mina nazondana sikapa. Yeah.
Wena waziwapi?
Kumula manje uthi wathunye libicha yakho.
Hayi cha.
Akafundisi.
Hayi. Hey.
Ayizibekwa ngivlog boss.
Nawe yithi wasikapa. Mina ngazindana sikapa wena.
Apparently. Apparently.
Allegedly.
Was umntwana waseKapa
Wazumntwana
nawe.
waseKapa.
Pink Panther and Bells.
Pink Panther and
Big
Bear.
Panther and Slim.
Shade.
Ray.
The vibes, the vibes sometimes.
Da.
The vibes are too much, eh? Oh, I'm the Dyan. Serious. Oh, I'm serious.
Samaza here. It's a massacre.
Ibesebenza sokunba mina namhlanje niyayenza bro.
Hayi bro,
Utasibonile
bakhala senze vlog.
Mashita ni bitches.
Bye-bye, ta.
Dab.
Bitches with titties.
Dab, ne.
Handies and fitties.
Handies and fitties.
I'm telling you to tell. But not Naman.
I'm telling you to tell
Bitches with titties.
Handies and fitties. Type shit. Oh my dad, homies.
Oh my dead homies.
Oma.
Dead homies, nigga. Tabuza, who are you? I'm that pretty motherfucker, man.
I'm the pretty motherfucker.
Yo.
I'm that light-skinned nigga.
Okay, man.
Yela. Bathi ndigay kuba nimhlophe because I'm the light-skinned motherfucker.
I'm not last game, motherfucker. Tell him Vito right. Okay, then go did go come in, then you done every day. Go on me, all day try me. Bad girls want me, I'm a jealous really. Not a dog, I need feet. What you need? We got that feet. I'm thick, I'm too king, we are basic.
Come with me.